Hi guys, welcome to Melbourne Mum Blog. Happy Sunday. It's actually 9 a.m. here and I'm starting off with cooking some meals for Mikhail for the week. Now, you all know how obsessed I am with my slow cooker. So today I am showing you how to make pumpkin soup in the slow cooker. It's easy, just 5 ingredients and that's it. And you just have to let it cook. You don't have to worry about it burning down or keep checking on it. So let's quickly start and show you all the ingredients and how I cook it. So to start off, we need 500 grams of diced pumpkin. You can get yours from Coles. We will need 1 cup of thick cream. We need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will need 2 cups of chicken stock and half of diced chopped onion. So we chuck everything in the slow cooker. I'm putting it according to our taste, so this is 1 teaspoon for me. This is 1 cup, and I'm gonna add 1 more cup to it. And this is the 2nd cup. That's it. Now you let it cook, leave it the way it is, and you need to cook it for 5 hours. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is one of our common item in our menu for Mikhail, which he enjoys thoroughly, and even for adults as well, we enjoy this pumpkin soup. You can make this, in bulk and freeze it so that your child can have it on and off during the week or even coming weeks for a month. Plus, I hope this has helped any moms out there struggling to, find something that's easy, but, just let it cook. They don't have to stress about checking up on it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you learned something new out of it. And it's a very easy recipe. So make sure you share it with fellow moms who are struggling with finding, anything that can be useful for their child to eat. Have a great day. Bye.